हजारों में किसी को तकदीर ऐसी मिली है, एक रांझा और हीर जैसी। न जाने ये जमाना क्यों चाहे रे मिटाना, कलंक नहीं इश्क है काजल पिया।
Hi everybody, this is Mangesh and welcome to another episode of Spattern Talent Show. Hope you all are enjoying this Ganpati Bappa season 1, and to make it more interesting and curious, today we have a beautiful lady guest on our show who is extremely talented and dedicated towards the music and music industry. But before introducing her, please allow me to tell you, this is not a usual episode जहाँ पे मैं entrepreneurs and speakers and leadership के बारे में बात करूँगा. But in this episode, we are featuring artist and his talent. So today on panel we have Sama right next to me and in front of the screen, and she's a very well-known musical artist and also verified artist on Spotify as well, who has learned the music very deep. She has also been to music school, performed musical theatre, and also recently she has worked with the Bandish Pandit team, and so on. So here is Sama Thakur for you on Spare Time Talent Show. Welcome, Sama, on Spattern Talent Show. So, how are you doing? How's
Hi,
Ganpati season going on your side?
oh it's going great. कल हम जाके गणपति लेके आए थे हमारी बिल्डिंग के लिए, तो बैंड बाजा लेके गए थे सब गाड़ी में.
Okay.
So it's going great. How about you?
या मेरे यहाँ पे नहीं आता, बट मेरे भाई के वहाँ पे आता है, सो हम वहीं पे चले जाते हैं. एंड वो बहुत बड़ा होता है, 11 दिन का, तो आराम से जाना होता है, इसलिए आज रिकॉर्ड कर पाया.
Oh,
नॉट अ बिग डील. सो कमिंग टू द एपिसोड, एक्चुअली जस्ट लेट मी टेल यू गाइस, आप जो स्क्रीन पे देख रहे हो ये पिंक कलर के हेयर, दिस इज समर ट्रांसफॉर्म टोटली. अगर मैं आपको इनकी पुरानी पिक दिखाऊंगा, which is I guess 2019 और 2018 की, मैं आपके कल
That
Instagram पे
was
स्क्रॉल किया था.
2016.
या इट्स लाइक वो समय काफी सिंपल है एंड एकदम स्किनी टाइप स्पेक्स पहनती है, एंड दिस इज टोटली ट्रांसफॉर्म वर्जन ऑफ. सो लाइक कैसे क्या डिड म्यूजिक डिड दिस टू यू और हाउ इट हैपेंड?
no. So मैं तब स्कूल में थी एक्चुअली, जब आपने देखा होगा all those photos, that was actually स्कूल में. अब स्कूल में बाल कलर करना अलाउड नहीं होता है.
यस ट्रू.
पोनी बानी पड़ती है, चश्मा पहनना पड़ता है बिकॉज यू कांट सी. सो अभी भी एक्चुअली मैं चश्मा केप्ट साइड में, होनी मैंने पहना नहीं है, रखा है साइड में. बट
Okay.
नो, आई हैव ऑलवेज वांटेड कि लाइक मेरे आई वांट टू कलर माय हेयर इन डिफरेंट कलर्स, ट्राई स्टाइल्स एंड ये वो. सो आई हैव हैड ब्लू, रेड, पिंक. दिस इज द न्यूएस्ट पिंक. आई थिंक नेक्स्ट टाइम गोइंग टू पर्पल या ऐसा कुछ. सो आई जस्ट लाइक टू
Experiment with things. तो करते रहते हैं, चलता रहता है.
But it suits you very well. You are looking pretty on
Thank
that.
you.
Anyways,
Thank you.
coming to back on this topic, are you from musical background? Like कैसे आपकी फैमिली आर्टिस्ट में कैसे आना हुआ?
तो मेरी फैमिली म्यूजिकल इतनी नहीं है, बट माई मॉम इज अ ट्रेन्ड हिंदुस्तानी क्लासिकल म्यूजिशियन. लाइक शी इज अ वोकलिस्ट, सो शी इज अ टीचर एंड शी हैज बीन ट्रेनिंग, लाइक शी इज अ टीचर, गुरु है वो. तो मैं उन्हीं से सीखती हूँ, जब से मैं 8 साल की थी तब से.
अच्छा.
सो धीरे धीरे करके जब व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड लर्निंग हिंदुस्तानी क्लासिकल, वहाँ से लाइक वोकल्स, आई वाज लर्निंग वोकल्स. तो वहाँ से मैंने डिसाइड किया आफ्टर आई वाज अराउंड 16-17, तब मैंने डिसाइड किया कि हिंदुस्तानी क्लासिकल सिर्फ गाना, लाइक इट्स नॉट ओके टू ओनली बी सिंगिंग वन जॉनर. तो तब आई रियलाइज दैट आई शुड venture into different things. That's when I started learning Western vocals at True School of Music. फिर वहाँ से अभी recently I did a course at Berklee College of Music. तो like my family is not very musical, but because my mom is a trained musician, that's why I kind of got into it. And music is like one thing that it's constant. कभी change नहीं हुआ है life में.
Okay.
तो बचपन से अभी तक I've been singing, I've been playing instruments and doing all kind of things, and that's when I realized कि I want to do this as my career. Like always पता था कि music करना है, and just like in the last few years I decided कि हाँ यही करना है अब, और कुछ नहीं करना है.
So you started
So,
taking
yeah.
school for that?
For music?
Yeah.
You have been trained to school and went to True School, right?
True School, yeah. So I started going to True School of Music when I was 16, I think, and I graduated from there by the time I was 19.
Acha.
Um, and I'm also graduated in psychology. So I'm a BA in psychology, and I'm also doing Access Bar. So I'm a therapist, kind of.
Oh,
So
man.
तो बहुत कुछ किया है लाइफ में.
So how do you handle both the things? Psychology, like किसके तरफ ज्यादा तुम डाइवर्ट होते हो? Music, no doubt. बट अगर म्यूजिक नहीं होता
Music
so
नहीं मतलब आई डिड साइकोलॉजी क्योंकि यू नो इंडिया में इतने स्कूल्स नहीं है हु आर गोइंग टू ट्रेन यू टू लाइक यू नो ग्रेजुएट इन म्यूजिक. ऐसा कुछ होता नहीं है यहाँ पे इतना, है ना.
right.
तो द ओनली ऑप्शन दैट आई एक्चुअली हैड वाज सोशियोलॉजी एंड साइकोलॉजी. So I was like very inclined towards knowing what goes on in the brain and what kind of different disorders are there and all that. तो इसलिए मैंने डिसाइड किया कि मैं साइकोलॉजी करूँगी फॉर माई मेजर्स इन कॉलेज. So I did that मुंबई यूनिवर्सिटी से.
So how could you describe your style of music? Because मैंने आपके Instagram पे
style
वीडियो
of-
देखे, yeah, because मैं पहले ऐसे ऊपर से गो थ्रू करा था, बट उसमें मेरा फेवरेट म्यूजिक आ गया AR रहमान का रंगरेजा, कुन फाया कुन, and then फितूर, and then धीरे 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 like I was so mesmerized by a performance and that
Thank you
acapella.
so much.
I don't know how to pronounce it.
Yeah.
Am I doing it right?
Yeah,
or not?
that's how you say.
Okay, and वो भी सबसे बेस्ट था, and that God is a woman.
Thank you so
I
much.
started liking it so much. Like क्या बोलूं? So
Thank you.
how could you describe your music?
So I started doing acapellas after I think there was one point where I was like, you know, मुझे कुछ different करना है.
Okay.
But
I started doing covers because I was like, मुझे थोड़ी audience चाहिए. So they listen. Once I get an audience, फिर मैं अपना original music डालूंगी. So that there is somebody who listens already. Like there's a base. So that's how I started doing covers. And जब मैं covers कर रही थी, तब मुझे realize हुआ कि you know covers सब करते हैं. So I have to be a little bit different from what everybody does. That's when I realized कि you know if I do vocal production and I do voice only covers like how you are talking like Rangreza, Fittur, all these things. तो तब मैंने realize किया कि अगर मैं vocal harmonies में layer करके उसको live गाऊं और उसका video बना के डालूं
Okay.
तो शायद लोगों को अच्छा लगा. And I started seeing कि people are actually liking the acapellas that I create with which I only use vocal cords. There's no instruments used.
Yes.
So जो भी आप सुनते हो उस वीडियो में उसमें सिर्फ मेरी आवाज है, whether it is like drums है या background में like shakers या कुछ. So I do everything with my vocal cords. So that is I kind of ventured into it and धीरे 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 I kind of developed it myself.
So, like, what's the definition of music for you?
I don't know honestly.
Anything, just one line of how you think music.
I don't know. It's like my whole life. I cannot imagine my life without music in it. Like, I cannot like how water is to a fish, music
Oh.
is to me. Like I cannot imagine what my life would be if I wouldn't be doing music.
so like yeah, that is why I decided to make it my career because it is something that gives me immense happiness and it makes me occupied and it just makes me feel so good about everything. Like I can write about anything and make a song or like even when it like be it practice या कुछ भी मुझे बहुत मजा आता है ये करने में. Like
So
it's
you
very
write also?
intriguing to know so many things.
You write also?
Yes, so I have, yeah. So I have, in the coming year, I have a few originals planned, which I have written, composed, and I am working on it right now. So I have like multiple things planned for next year. So I am a singer-songwriter. So I also write my own music.
That's wonderful. So are you planning to go into Bollywood?
Yeah, so that. I want a career in music. अब म्यूजिक मुझे कहाँ लेके जाता है that is not what I have to decide. It's like that.
Okay. So do you like Bollywood music?
I do. I really do. Like most of my covers are Bollywood. So of course I like Bollywood music. I'm a very मतलब एकदम ही Bollywood बच्चा like.
So if I told you one thing to change in the Bollywood music, what would it be?
In Bollywood music. I I would tell all the music producers to like take me as a playback. That would be the change I would make.
That is
Take that is not selfishness. That is just like promoting yourself, no? Like I think that would be the only change I would make. Tell all the
This was not
producers,
the-
hire me.
This was not
It's
the,
a change,
This
no,
was not
it's
the
a-
answer I was expecting, honestly.
It's a change. It's a positive change. That would
Who is your favorite artist, anyways? From Bollywood.
in Bollywood.
Yes.
From Bollywood, Arijit Singh.
Like,
Like die-hard fan. Like
so do you try his
I
music?
actually yeah, I've done many of his covers. Abhi, my most recent cover was Kalam.
No doubt. So can we have a raw version of a Kalam right now, if possible?
Yeah, sure. हवाओं में बहेंगे, घटाओं में रहेंगे, तू बरखा मेरी, मैं तेरा बादल पिया, जो तेरे ना हुए तो किसी के ना रहेंगे, दीवानी तू मेरी, मैं तेरा पागल पिया, हजारों में किसी को तकदीर ऐसी मिली है, एक रांझा और हीर जैसी, न जाने ये जमाना क्यों चाहे रे मिटाना, कलंक नहीं इश्क है काजल पिया.
Man, that's so
I
wonderful.
hope you like that.
अरे, I loved
Thank
it.
you.
Like जो सुना था,
Thank
it's best. I don't know how to
Thank
express
you.
it.
Thank you so much. So abhi actually I was supposed to be on vocal rest because my voice is a little tired because I've overused it. So क्योंकि मैं constantly गाते रहती हूँ, बात करते रहती हूँ, तो voice थक जाती है. So
Right.
today I was supposed to be on vocal rest, but I was like चलो podcast है, गा लेते हैं. So yeah.
And one last question, उसके बाद
Thank
vocal
you.
rest ले लो, no doubt. Then talking about vocal thing, what exercise would you love to share with us? कि vocal को कैसे सुधारे जाए?
So there are many things that you can do आपके vocals को सुधारने को, and this is not only for like singers, even just anybody who speaks, who has a voice.
Speak के बारे में बताओ.
सबकी आवाज होती है, like you have a voice, I have a voice. कभी sore throat हो जाता है, या you feel
Right.
tired कि आज ना बात नहीं करनी है गले में. So I would recommend like hydrate yourself, like पानी पीते रहना चाहिए. Like I know सब बोलते हैं पानी पीते रहना चाहिए ये वो, but what happens with drinking water is that हमारे जो vocal cords होते हैं, vocal folds होते हैं, they vibrate at a very high frequency to create your voice.
So
Okay.
they are like this. They're two like chords, like literally like this, and they really like vibrate to create your voice. So because they vibrate so much, ना वो dry हो जाते हैं. So when you drink water, it lubricates them and it helps them to vibrate more.
Okay.
So that is how you can improve your voice automatically by drinking enough of water. So that is one thing. And I always recommend to take vocal naps and vocal rest. So what a vocal nap is that कि suppose अभी मैंने बहुत बोला है या आपने बहुत बोला है. So a vocal nap is कि अब मैं आधे घंटे तक ना कुछ भी I will not speak or I will not say. That is a vocal nap. जैसे हमारी body को sleep चाहिए होती है, वैसे ही हमारे vocals को भी rest चाहिए होता है, because your voice gets tired. So
Yes,
you need to rest it enough. So it's not कि आप चुपचाप ही बैठे रहो पूरे time. Like vocal nap doesn't mean कि like whole day you have to just keep quiet. But I feel like when it's like not required, then you should just like take a little bit rest and just keep quiet for some time. That rests your voice, that gives time for your vocal cords to like, कि okay, इतना बोलिए, अब थोड़ा rest कर लेंगे, फिर बोलेंगे. Like that.
फिर absolutely no screaming, no shouting, no yelling, talking loudly. All this damages your vocals, your voice. It gets damaged when you scream, shout, yell, talking loudly, or like just anything that would be too loud. You know, कभी कभी गले में strain हो जाता है. Like you feel
Yes.
strain here also. It's not just in this area, but you also even in your neck.
Right.
So ये सब की वजह से, you know, sometimes when you yell, scream and all this, when you do all these loud things, your vocal cords get damaged to such an extent that it is difficult to like turn it back around. So it's better to like prevent it than कि वो हो जाए उसके बाद, you know, like you know what I mean कि
Yeah.
if you can prevent it, why to cause it?
Right. True.
इसकी वजह से like if I'm speaking very loudly, automatically sore throat हो ही जाएगा क्योंकि you have spoken so loudly that your vocal cords are now tired. So you have to do that rest.
And even लोग ऐसे करते हैं ना, like when you clear your throat ऐसा करके, I genuinely feel like that is like you're slamming your vocal cords together, like literally like this.
Okay.
So obviously if you do this to something, it will damage this part
But वो
from the
genuinely,
inside,
but
right?
वो genuinely होता है, right? कोई जानबूझ के थोड़े
हाँ,
करते
so
होगे.
sometimes you do, like ऐसा नहीं कि मत करो. It's
Because
not that
I was
don't
about
do
to
it.
do right now. मैं actually बोल दिया.
Yeah, so
Sorry.
yeah, so it's not like कि मत it's not like कि मत करो.
Yeah.
Okay, it's like everything. So everything in moderation is good. Like it's not कि अगर मैंने बोल दिया कि vocal nap लो, ऐसा नहीं कि like पूरे दिन ही चुपचाप बैठे रहो.
No
Like
doubt.
Even I say that for like even like suppose I have to help somebody, like there are some students who come to me, like I don't teach them, but they are my mom's students, like so my mom is a teacher, no? So sometimes they would ask me, because I'm trained in Western music, sometimes they ask me कि you know how do I do this, how do I do that. So I always give them basic tips कि you know सब आप moderation में करोगे कुछ भी तो आपको कुछ होने वाला नहीं है. So like even vocal rest, vocal naps, drinking water, clearing your throat, drinking tea, coffee, all this should be like, if you're doing in moderation, it's fine. But if you overdo anything, everything is harmful. ना कुछ भी harmful हो सकता है ऐसे तो. कुछ भी if you overdo it, harmful ही हो जाएगा वो.
Yeah,
So
excess
like
of
that.
anything.
And for singers, I would recommend. Yeah, and excess of anything is bad. So if anything you do in moderation, it would be fine. So
like for singers especially, I would recommend before singing always do a warm up. So there are certain exercises that you can do, like singing the scales, running through your song once. Also body posture and body exercises. So I always recommend you to like do something like that with your neck, or to like do your shoulder exercises, because that releases stress, releases the tension.
Okay.
So whenever you're stressed, you know, you feel that in your neck and your this thing, you'll
Back,
feel
yeah.
like aisa. I don't know how to explain it, but you know, you get this pressure in your neck and your back, and so when you get that pressure, no, आपके vocals भी थोड़े unstable हो जाते हैं. So I know nervousness में ऐसा होता है sometimes, that you're very nervous and you're very stressed. So when you're nervous and all, I whenever it comes to being nervous, I recommend breathing exercises, like just breathe in 5 counts, breathe out 5 counts, like that.
Okay.
But that's only for like nervousness and all that. But when it comes to daily practice and all, I recommend to ground yourself, to do exercises with your shoulder like that, like
Achha.
rotate your shoulders or like rotate your neck and all before starting. So it releases any stress that is there in it. So it calms you down before singing what you have to sing, and guaranteed performance will be better if your body is at rest.
Yeah, no
So
doubt.
if you take your like singers also, like singers ho ke dancers ho ya actors ho se, like suppose I did a music theater, so in music theater you are that your body has to be at rest. So it's not only your voice that you have to take care of, but you have to also take care of your whole body. So like I recommend ke जब गा रहे हैं तब don't like maintain a posture. अगर आप सीधे होके गाओगे, like if you are straight up, then your voice will be projected better like that.
Right.
But if you slouch or anything like that, automatically your voice will be subdued because your posture is not proper. So I recommend like having a good posture, breathing exercises, warm up, and cooling down after you have finished whatever you had to do. So there are multiple cool down exercises, there are multiple warm up exercises which you can do. So and that you can even do if you're not a vocalist. So like these are the things that you should do.
Wonderful, Sama. And I would like to sum up here because आपको भी vocal nap लेला है, no doubt. And internet भी unstable हो रहा है बार-बार. Okay, no issues. So that's it from my side. And yeah,
Yeah. I hope this was fun and like I really had fun. Thank you for having me on your podcast.
yeah, even it's my pleasure to have you on the show. And thanks for talking till here. And guys, do check out her link. I will give link on the description and also on the screen. And do check out her recent cover, Kalang. Actually, I forgot to mention in start, but please do check out one. So that's it from our side.
Thank
We'll
you.
meet you again. Bye. Take care.
Thank you
Bye.
so much for having me. Thank you.